In a tech-based company like Chegg, you're far more likely to change the company's long-term trajectory by growing the engineers around you than through personal heroics. And since technology cannot speak for itself, it requires effective advocates on its behalf. I'm in conversation with Ankit Janwal, our staff software engineer, whose auxiliary work involves building next-gen products for our students, technology development, along with mentorship at Chegg for a good 4 years now.
So hi Divya, I'm a staff software engineer at Chegg for around 4 years. In overall, I've been in industry for more than a decade now. Basically, have seen systems that were monolith, and now this new next generation of systems which are more distributed and are more challenging than what we used to work with. And my role here is basically to ensure that our technology standards are good and we follow them and deliver the best products to our students. So I was born in Delhi. I've done basically bachelor's from IP University Delhi. So before Chegg, I was working in an investment bank into risk analysis and trade reporting. It was more about software or system to system communication, right? What interests me about Chegg was its mission that it wants to, Chegg wants to help out the student community. From day one, have been taught to every engineer that joins, right? And dream big is one of the values. Student first is one of the value, and those two things are, I think, very important for. So a staff software engineer at Chegg is responsible for software design. We make sure that our design is scalable. We make sure that the software that we build is based upon the standards that we have built out at Chegg that offer high quality products and services to our students. And not just into development, but about releasing the software, the best practices to follow for releasing the software, and also the post-release act. So all those technical aspects of software delivery is what I'm part of, and that's what I do here at Chegg. In these 4 years, I've seen team grow from nearly 20 to 150 or more than 150 of engineers that we have now. I've been lucky to be part of multiple products. I've been lucky to be part of some of the great initiatives done by Chegg for the students. I've got a chance to interact with people from other geographies, primarily US and Israel, and I love collaborating with them. I think it's great. That's the one word for working environment at Chegg. Everyone is is so supportive. We do believe in strong collaboration across teams, across geographies, across product vertical lines also. The collaboration and the energy in everyone is so high that it could be 1 a.m. In the night, and you can just ping one question and you would continue seeing a lot of messages from people who are probably also awake at night. Okay, apart from the household work that we are forced to do, we have been coding, we have been developing software, we have been doing summits. We ensure that we keep moving forward. We ensure that we keep giving new products and features to our students, right? So I think we have continued developing, and lots of great releases have gone to production last year.
So, Ankit, tell us something if you find starkly different about Chegg that sets it apart from other organizations.
What sets it apart for Chegg, from my perspective, is Chegg really cares for its employees. In work from home, we have seen lots and lots of examples, where Chegg has really shown care for its employees, be it work from home workstation setup, or giving your something to learn for, like online courses, like reimbursing all of that.
Edu for
uh,
you.
yes, that's the Eddie for you. They have given us they've even reimbursed our Netflix and Prime subscriptions, right? They've so What I mean to say is that Check really cares for its employees, and that's evident from its actions.